The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who cannot read them. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. In the first place, God made idiots. That was for practice. Then He made school boards. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Be careful about reading health books. You may die of a misprint. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. I am an old man and have known a great many troubles, but most of them never happened. Go to heaven for the climate, hell for the company. Part of the secret of a success in life is to eat what you like and let the food fight it out inside. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence on society. Cauliflower is nothing but cabbage with a college education. We have the best government that money can buy.